Hey guys, this is going to be System Test 3. Made a lot of changes to the system just lately, and I want to show them to you. And you got a hint on the last system test that I did. You got a hint of what the system test will be, what signals will be installed, and you will see in 1 second. I'm going to show you the pull stations first. So in here, got a Firelight BG12L. In the closet, I've got a Firelight BG12L, and over here I have a. Where's the pull station? Well, there's kind of a funny story behind what happened here. I let my friend pull the alarm, and I guess they pulled way too hard because the pull station came right off the wall. So, epic fail number 1 on my fire alarm system. I've never had anything like that happen before. But I guess there's a first for everything. But yeah, and here I replaced the other BG12 with a little bit of a nicer one. This is the nicer one. Yeah, you can see now. It's a little dark. But here, let me use my flashlight and you can see it. Here we go. There we go. Yep, you can see. That's the newer handle, so it looks kind of good. But yeah, down here is the panel. Buttons, okay. You can see that. That's the Spectral Advanced HR. Set to code 3. And yeah, low volume. Knew I was trying to say something, but it wouldn't come out. And here, I think you're going to start to see the pattern soon. I've got a Spectral Advanced SPSR speaker strobe set to 15 candela. Now, because the pull station's gone out, it decided me to expand a little bit, so I made a little bit of an expansion. A junction box here. I will show you inside that shortly. With a wire that's way too long for it, going out that way. They come out behind these foam fingers here. You can see. There they are. Oh, stay. And they go in this sort of homemade tube thing into a box. You can see the box. What's on it? Another Spectral Advanced SPSR speaker strobe, also set to 15 candela. Yes, they're both set to 15 candela. And I put those up upside down, whatever. I'll fix it after. But, yeah. I guess we'll get started. These are all Spectral Advances and BG12s. You can tell the very common part of the system. It's a very common system, you could say. See these everywhere. BG12s, and you don't see these model Spectral Advances everywhere. You don't see the speaker strobes everywhere, but just kind of try to mimic a horn strobe and a remote strobe, but because I don't have a Spectral or horn strobe, I don't know why. I got that one. It was said online that it was an outdoor Spectral or P2RK, and it didn't come with a picture, so yeah, never order an alarm it doesn't come with a picture. That was supposed to be a horn strobe, but it's a horn. But I still like it, so. Let me grab my ear protection. And there will be some new alarms coming soon, probably around September. I will be getting a couple new fire alarm devices, and I will have one system test with all new devices. But you know what, right before I set off the alarms, let me show you inside this box real quick. And if you can tell, these screws, they're BG12 screw terminals. Got an extra BG12 back. I just took it off. BG12 screw terminals. That's the funny part. And showing you that this wire is way too long, as I explained, you can see that there's, oh my gosh, a lot of wires up there, right? I mean, seriously, this is all, look at that. That's way too much wire. And that's the same story in that box over there. There's a bunch of wire. Yeah, and that's a small box like this one. Whoop. Wow. That's a small box like this one with an extender ring on it. And that one's one of the deeper back boxes over there. So, yeah. Let me put the plate back on. If I can grab it. Grab my screwdriver, too. Get it down for a second. Oh, plate got sucked in there. Okay. Ah. I personally could have showed you that after I set off the alarm, but whatever. To preview the system. Yeah, but this alarm was, this wire was cut too long. Same thing with these little wires going down. But yeah, this is more of that security cable stuff. I have yet to cover it up, so. Ugh. Alright, now I can put the ear protection on again. And we'll be set to go. Let's see, what pull station should I start with? That one or that one? No, I'll go with this one first. So, here we go. Ow, it's loud through the ear protection. Yeah, I really need to increase that strobe brightness because it's right by the window. Literally. $15 candela, both of them. I'm probably going to increase both of them because it's so bright in here. Should have brought my flashlight. I will use the flashlight when I pull that one, because you can barely see the pull station. Let's reset this pull station. Okay, the key's stuck. Come on. Try a different key. There we go. Yeah. That lock is starting to not like me anymore. It gets stuck a lot. So, yeah. And we'll reset our system. And I will bring out the flashlight. Okay, now it's not working. There we go. Okay, how am I going to do this? Camera in one hand and flashlight in the other hand. Okay, so I have to hold the camera and the flashlight in one hand. And the flashlight just went off on me. Okay, there it is. Please ignore the finger in the way. It's not the finger, it's actually the flashlight. But, alright, here, perfect. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. These strobes are in perfect sync. And alarm silence. And that sounded really weird. Okay. Now we'll reset this pull station. This lock seems to like me a little more, but the pull station door doesn't. Fail. Okay, this is the system test of the fails. And that box is loose. I gotta fix that. Okay, we can reset. Okay. I'm seen to be having bad luck in this system test. But I thought this would be kind of cool. All spectral advances. And to let you know, the 100 subscriber special is coming soon. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna do. I have a plan already. I just have to put my plan into action now. Let me put my keys back. Ah! Okay. Keys stuck. Alright. What else? My firelight key is stuck. Okay, that's just weird. Alright, I gotta fix that afterwards. Now my key is stuck. And that worked perfect. Okay. This is just bad luck today or something. But, yeah, I figured that this would be kind of cool to have all spectral advances. I'm gonna do the Spectral Alert Classics next system test, I think. I'm gonna have all Spectral Alert Classics again. But that'll be kind of cool. They're all down here, chilling. Ugh. Ooh, jeez. Okay. That wasn't the best plan. But, yeah, I've got my S24 1575. My P1224 MC. and my S2475. This is the strobe that's going to go by the window probably because it's brightest. Or this one too. I may put the horn strobe there because this one can go to 110 candela. But, oh well. Ugh, these spectralers aren't nice to me. But, oh gosh. Yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me put these back together. Put these back on. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. Nothing is working for me today. Ugh. Ugh. This is going to be system test of the epic fails. Oh my gosh. Stuff is getting tangled on my cord now. Oh. I better not play with electricity today. I may have bad luck with that too. But yeah. Guys, that's about it. The crazy system test. But I hope you enjoyed. And I guess I'll set it off one last time. We'll just key activate this one if the key decides to work. That worked that time, okay. Okay, I can stop it from a pulse station too. But look at how long it takes for the strobes to start up. The horn starts immediately. Look how long it takes for the strobes. It takes a while for the strobes to start. Just to prove it to you, look at the one over there. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day. See you guys later.